Hello there. So this is just a Unity tidbit for scene management. So obviously most people would know this, but I just wanted to explain it for anyone who obviously doesn't know it. So yeah, let's begin. So whenever you do something like load scene level 2, let's use that as an example. Load scene level 2, right? If you don't put it in quotation marks, Unity is going to consider it a direct variable, because obviously instead of it being in quotation marks, when Unity will consider it just a name, so anything can be named level 2. Because it's considered a direct variable, you have to put it in the context of the code, so you have to list it in the code itself. So you have to do like public scene, level 2, which then after you've designed the code, then you have to go into Unity and then you have to put the scene file inside of the code, so that way it works. I know that's confusing, and I know that's a very big oversimplification, but obviously this is the best way I can explain it. Though this does work only like slightly differently, there is a slightly different way that does work. If you take out level, you just have load scene 2, it's going to go look in the build editor, and whenever you put a scene into build editor, it's going to list it from 0 to however many scenes you have. So if it finds it as 2, or a scene that is listed that in the list correlates to the number 2, it's going to find that and it's going to load it. So then your code will actually work. But an easier way that I've found, at least, is if you just do it in quotation marks. Like I said earlier, whenever you put something in quotation marks, Unity considers it a name or a value. So like if I did, this isn't a real command, but if you did times set, quotation marks 1f, right? That is a value. So it's going to correlate that with the script to whatever you're, using. So it's just a value, and obviously it's just a name. So, but it's going to go look through the entire project, and if it finds anything with the name level 2, it's going to load it. But primarily it works with scenes. So if it finds that, it loads it. So then the code works. And you can connect both the direct variable and the name value together. So yeah, that's it pretty much. Thanks for watching, I guess. So